Today I'm going to be telling you how I have my air horn set up on my 97 Honda Del Sol. As you can see here, this is my little handle. I don't want to honk it right now, but handle, and the air hose goes up under the hood. Let me show you guys my air tank. This is a $25 air tank I got at Harbor Freight. It's at like 40 psi right now. The air hose, it closes. So air tank goes to the back into the center console. There's the air valve. Let me show you guys the air horns itself. There's a siren there, and there's the Groover air horns. These things are crazy loud, and I honk them at like 120 psi max. But there's the rest of the air hose. Comes up to another piece right there and hooks straight up to the air horns. If you like this video, please subscribe, comment, and give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.